So today, guys, we're gonna be doing some squads field and see if anybody wants to go on my friends list. You know, I'm not really that big on YouTube. I barely have any, like, one subscriber. But that's not the point. The point is I want to get better and see if I can get people to subscribe to my channel. So let's hop in. Enough talking. Let's hop into the video. Or should I'm probably gonna do solid gold duos. Never mind, guys. We're gonna do solid gold duos. Cause I didn't even play the game on because I wasn't on for maybe 2 days. So, or it probably came out today, but not the point. So let's get into it. Okay, so also to tell you guys, this is I would make videos on my Xbox account. But, I'll probably make videos on that account so late and the more school year, because I'm in school, and so I'll probably make videos more late in the school year. But for now, I'm probably gonna be rocking the noob skin on this account, Season 10. I don't really need to go through the battle pack because you probably saw already other YouTubers and stuff, so that's okay. But let's play some solid gold duos and see if we can get anybody with a mic. Hello? Yo. Summon. So we're trying to... Okay. You got a YouTube? Pretty lit. You got a YouTube, brother? Or you just have YouTube? Well, okay then. Yeah, baby. No. Okay. You? Why do you need it? Okay. Okay. I was getting really confused for a second. I have a horrible landing. Okay. I have a horrible landing drop, so. I could not help you at all because I have no guns. I'm sorry, buddy. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Alright, you can have. I don't want. Well, I only have a scar. I'll try to. Whole other person. There's a whole other person. GG's. Yeah, that was kind of weird at first, guys, but took a turn because he was just playing around. That was kind of weird, but these days there's a lot of weird people on Fortnite. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see who else we can get in a match. See, guys, as you can see on my screen, it was kind of laggy. So, like, I don't know what to tell you guys. Lag. I'm telling you guys, when I record, it gets lagged. I don't know why, but I guess it's just what the installation does. I don't know. It's just what the game does, so whatever. It's just whatever. Solid gold, mate. Just because the internet went out. Why is everything going so slow? Slow. Hello? Anybody got a mic? Yeah, well. Fresh mic there. Okay, then. I do not speak at a robot. Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright, what's my FPS right now, man? What is this? I see these big blobs everywhere. Whoa, brothers. Really. Well, man, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Look up Dragon XYZ on YouTube. It's the purple icon. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow me on, yeah. Yeah, GG's, brother. Yeah. Yeah. Like and subscribe. Yeah, that man's mic was kind of like robotic, you know what I mean? And I thought I was the robot. Okay, buddy. I mean, it's like my first actual game. Yeah, so I mean, well, second game because I just recorded with that one guy, but. Well, guys, I'll kind of walk you through the battle pass, even though I'm kind of late on that. But I'm not really gonna do it. Actually, never mind. Forget that. Let's just look at the item shop. Okay, guys, you got the little whip plunger slick. Uh,
You sure it done?
huh?
You sure it done?
Mm-hmm.
So that Russian and everything, get off the game. Y'all garbage is still in there.
The chances are taken out.
In your restaurant?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Not there. So, in the game tonight. For this Russian stuff.
Okay. Bye.